How to use the Cutouts Instagram feature. Create Instagram stickers. Today, I'm introducing a new option on Instagram. It's called the Cutouts feature, which turns your photos into stickers that you can add to your story. Before we begin, check the App Store or Play Store to ensure your Instagram is up to date. If even after updating you don't have the Cutouts option, it may not be available in your region yet. Let's get started. Open the Instagram application. Click on your story to create your story. Add a photo from your phone by clicking on it. This will be the background. Now, swipe up. The Cutouts icon with scissors will appear. Click on it. Now, choose a photo from your phone's gallery to create a sticker. Wait for a few seconds and Instagram will create a sticker for you. To add the sticker to your story, click on Use Sticker. Your sticker is now added. You can repeat the process as many times as you want. You can position and resize the sticker as desired. Share your story, and that's it. Like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more similar tutorials.